Welcome to our colorful journey of Animal Kingdom, where we meet 10 adorable baby animals with alphabet W. W is for wolf. 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 W is for woodpecker. 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 W is for whale. 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 W is for walrus. 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 W is for wombat. 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 W is for weasel. 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 W is for warthog. 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 W is for wildebeest. 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 W is for white tiger. WHITETIGER. White tiger. W is for wallaby. WALLABY. Wallaby.